Hello everybody. How are you all doing? I hope you all are happy, healthy and safe. So I'm back with another reading. The reading is about how your coming 3 months are going to be. And this is going to be a timeless reading. So whenever you watch this video again, I'm sure you will be getting some guidance, some help, some blessing from it. So it is valid for around 3 to 4 months. And there are 4 options in front of you: the purple feather, white feather, blue feather and orange feather. Take your time, connect to your option, and I will see you at your reading. My Instagram link is mentioned in the description box. In case you want to support me there, follow me there, and you're interested in some short readings, you can have a look there as well. Timestamps are mentioned in the description box. I shall see you at your reading. Hello, and if you've chosen this purple feather, group 1, this is going to be your reading. So we'll see how the coming months will be for you. Then we'll see your health, career and finances, education, relationships, what changes are coming and blessings coming your way. So first we'll begin with how will the coming months be for you. So the card tells me prosperity lies ahead. So here the card is telling me that you've been working very hard. Now is not the time to give up. All your hard work is going to be paid off. So it is a good time also to do your future planning now. And you can have a new relationship coming into your life. It could be a reunion. It could be a love proposal getting accepted. It could be a marriage proposal coming your way. It could be a business proposal coming your way, or an engagement ceremony taking place here. And here also the cards are telling me that you'll be soon able to afford the things that you have been dreaming of, manifesting for. It is also a time to pamper yourself. Get a massage or do a massage that will help you to relax your mind, relax your body. You have the power to create abundance. Here some of you might get a gift, or some of you might gift something to someone. It can be also reunions of families, of members you haven't met for a long time. So, and the other card also tells me about power of joy. So here the card is telling me that to find the desired outcome, follow the path of joy. Your life purpose is supported by the joy and passion that you have within you. Whenever you are working on your hobbies or you're following your passion, that will give you extra energy. The passion within you, the joy within you that you have, it will help you to remove the obstacles. So the cards are telling me stay positive, filled with faith, enjoy a good laugh, develop hobbies if you don't have. And there is a complete contentment, a completeness that you will feel in these 3 months, coming 3 months, with your family, with your friends. And you will feel that abundance, not only in wealth, but also your emotional abundance, your happiness. That's also abundance to us. Now let's see what health has in store for you in the coming 3 months. Okay, so here what I can see that some of you might undergo a surgery. Some of you might find yourself surrounded with multiple ailments. And the cards are also telling me that for some, it is now the time to pay attention to what is going on in your health. Consult the doctor, take the advice, take your treatments. If some of you are feeling low, it is time to connect to your friends, indulge in group games, activities with a group, because that will motivate you, that will help you build up your stamina and you will not give up. So when we are together with someone, with a group of people, they help us to move ahead. So your health requires your attention now. And it's time that you pay that attention before it's too late for you. Let's see what does career have for you and also we'll see the finances card as well along with it. So career and finances go together here. So some of you are very intellectual, very intelligent, and you will use this intellectual power, you will use it to suggest ideas, give such creative ideas and thoughts that will take your work ahead. The actions that you will take will be towards progress, will be towards growth, taking your work, your project to another level. That will be all accepted by people who are working with you. So you will use that intellectual thought process of yours to bring lot of positivity, growth in your work. Some of you, if you're dealing with farming or nurseries or organic farming, something of this sort, it's a good time to flourish. These 3 months are good for you to flourish here. Also, I can see that financially you will feel stable, you will feel secured. You will take all the necessary actions that are required to grow your money. Some of you, if you had already invested somewhere, you will get that financial gain. Some of you will plan to invest in this 3 months. Some of you will plan to save your money. So there is growth happening anyways coming into your life. Abundance is going to come. You will enjoy that luxury. You will enjoy what you have. And you will take your work, you will take yourself to another level in these 3 months. Now let's see what is education going to give us. Okay, so here I can see that students will be focused in planning. Maybe you'll be working in teams or groups on a project. So you'll be indulged in planning. Teamwork will be important for you in the coming 3 months. Here there is a little advice that if ever you feel too stressed, headache is there, you feel a heaviness in your head, you have a backache, it is time to remind yourself to take some rest. Sit down, lie down, spend some time with yourself, because once our mind relaxes, then only we'll be able to come up with fresh ideas, creative thoughts. So it is important for you in the coming 3 months not to neglect your health at that time when you are undergoing a stressful phase of studies. Maybe there is a pressure or a deadline that will be there to accomplish your project. So at that time, please take out some time to rest and relax. Let's see how our relationship's going to be in the coming 3 months. I'll just open all the cards and then we'll share what it holds for you. Okay. So here I see that some of you are caught up in a toxic relationship. So why do I call it a toxic relationship? Toxic relationships are such where we are always pleasing others and we are unable to please what is our need. We forget ourselves. We don't see a growth happening within us as an individual. Sometimes we are caught up in our own egos. Sometimes we want to take an initiative, but we don't take that initiative because something stops us from moving ahead. So here I can see that happening, and it is time that either if you really want, because you've been dwelling about the relationship, which way is it going? How am I supposed to take it forward? How can I improve it? So with these thoughts, it is better that you consult somebody either who is a wiser person in your family who can guide you with their experience and knowledge, or you can meet a counselor who can help you to deal with your family problems or your relationship problems. So it is important to consult people so that we can grow as individuals and also take our relationships ahead. I can see that some people are unable to make choices. Maybe there are 2 love proposals or marriage proposal and you're unable to decide which partner is going to be the best for me, with whom will I be more comfortable, with whom can I be me, who I am, be myself. But you will be able to bring this clarity into your life. Some of you might be dealing with lot of relationships together like in a family, and you will be multitasking amongst them, sometimes taking side of one person, sometimes favoring the other person. So you might find yourself multitasking amongst family members as well. Let's see what changes are going to come your way in these 3 months. So here I can see a rerouting. Some of you have not been able to connect to your dreams that you always wanted to pursue. Maybe in this journey of life, you've been busy fulfilling someone else's dream. So now will be the time when you will think of connecting to that dream of yours, and you will reroute your dreams now. You will be able to follow your dreams. Remember, we spoke about power of joy, and the joy card said to have your hobbies, develop them. So maybe you will reroute it. So that is a beautiful change coming your way. The other card is denial. And here at times when we deny a situation, when we deny our truth, our fears, we are only running away from it. But now you'll be getting that challenge. You'll be getting that courage, not challenge, sorry, courage to face your fears, to accept them. And that will help you to grow in your awareness about life, how to cope up with it. And that will help you to move ahead in life. What a beautiful change coming your way. Let's see what are the blessings coming for you. Okay, so I have the card of drive and revelation. So here, very positive changes, very positive blessing of changes coming into your life. Blessing of new motivation or inspiration is coming towards you. If you're stuck in a situation or finding a solution, then things will start moving again. The divine is telling you that if you are in a relationship or a friendship which is not going anywhere, and you are in it because you just have to be in it, it's not from your inner core of heart that you want to be in it, then let go of it. The divine is telling you that there is time, that an old cycle is going to come to an end, and time to create a new cycle, something new. Revelation coming to you, it can be related to anything. It can be just revealing that yes, I am an egoistic person and I have to change myself. That could be a beautiful blessing as well. And you will be blessed with new perspectives which will help you to bring a different thought process, towards situation, towards people, towards your own self. It will help you to grow stronger, wiser, and more composed. So this blessing is going to come your way in the coming 3 months. I hope the coming 3 months are blessed, are beautiful for you. Thank you so much. Hello, and if you've chosen the orange feather, this is going to be your reading. So let us see how the overall 3 months are going to be. Health, career and finances, education, relationships, what changes you can expect, and blessings coming your way. While I was shuffling your cards for career and finances, I especially got more cards than what I got for group 1. So let's see what is in store for you in these 3 months. Okay, so here the card says your commitment is being tested. See, universe has its own way of testing you by sending challenges. So here the universe is now challenging you. It wants to see how dedicated, how desperate you are, how committed you are to get what you want, to fulfill your desires, your dreams, how committed you are. So here you are being asked to face all the hurdles in your life with confidence. Show them that how much committed you are, and universe will help you to get what you want in your life. Believe in yourself, and then only will you be able to get the desired outcome for your own self. Here I can also feel that relationships are going to be of importance in these 3 months. Maybe a marriage is undergoing some trouble, and like every relation needs to be nurtured every day, every moment, so that it only grows and becomes more healthier day after day. So a lot of commitment towards that will also be required. Focus on the relationships that need your attention, that need to be, repaired in a way, renewed in a way. Come out of all the illusions around you. Maybe some of you are getting too many options, too many choices. Come out of them. Be practical, be logical, be wise in making your choices. Some of you will work hard and invest their money wisely. Some of you will gain that stability, that security, that power within you for these in the coming 3 months. Lot of respect can be seen coming your way, lot of stability coming your way. People will know you, will understand you. Some of you, if you've not have been in good terms with your father, it is time to contact him. Come in touch with him, talk to him, sit with him, spend that time with him. That will be needed. The other card says, come out of your closet. So here it is telling you that it is time to make, it is time for you to realize what is your real you and let others also know that, your true feelings. Maybe you would like to have a heart-to-heart discussion with anybody with whom you're facing a trouble or some kind of dispute in a relationship. Whenever we sit down for a heart-to-heart discussion, somewhere we are ready to listen to the other person and also share what our true feelings are. So if you've been misunderstood, you haven't got what you were expecting out of a relation, it's time to now sit with the person and talk to him or her so that clarity comes in and you can develop a better bond with that person. It is time to release all the judgments that you're carrying for yourself, for the other person, or for the situation. Sit with a fresh mind whenever you want to do this. The other card says, drink more water. So in these 3 months, maybe you will feel that your body is giving you signs such as fatigue or difficulty in concentrating, irritation with oneself, with people around, with things around. Excessive hunger can be there. So whenever your body is giving these signs, just remember to drink a lot of water because it helps us to flush all the toxicity, all the negative energy from our body. You can bless your water before you drink it. You can spend time near a water body. You can just sit outside when it's raining and just feel that rain, just enjoy that rain. These things will help you to gain that energy, to balance your energy. Let's see what does health card have to tell us. Okay, so here it is important for you to put your health at any point of time. Even if you're traveling, even if you're at home, it is important to bring a schedule in your life, a discipline in your life, organizing your day. That is going to help you. Maybe some of you will move towards a more healthy lifestyle, a more natural lifestyle, consuming natural foods, fruits, organic foods maybe. Some of you might want to grow food in your garden. You will be spending more time in nature, and connecting to nature will help you not only physically, but your mental health will also stay healthy. So health is going to be prime important in the coming 3 months. Now let us see your career and finances. I hope my cards are clear in my readings, so you're able to get a good glance of them. Okay. Sorry, I shook the camera. Sorry. Okay. So let's see what is there for career and finances. I can see that some of you have been consistently working hard or will be working hard in the coming 3 months from now. You are working hard to create your own boundaries, bring a routine in your life, a planning, a organization in your life, so that you are able to grow as an individual. You are able to focus more. But at times when we are devoting so much of time and energy on our growth, we sometimes need someone to just care for us, someone to just love us so that we gain that strength. So if ever you feel such a thing, please do not hesitate to go to your mother or your wife or your daughter or your sister. Just sit with them, Just enjoy that peaceful time with them, their care, their love. This will help you to re-energize yourself and move ahead. I can also feel that if your hard work till now has not been recognized, or you were not giving that appreciation, that position that you deserve, or your skills were not appreciated, acknowledged, or somewhere your money was stuck which you haven't got, or suppose you were supposed to get a promotion but you did not get, so anything of this sort at workplace, you are going to get justice for it. You are going to get that success, that recognition, that acknowledgement. I can also see that some of you will be multitasking, maybe working on one project and also sharing responsibility for some other work side by side. Some of you would like to, might be doing two jobs, a full-time job and a part-time job. Some of you are just seeing ways of expanding your finances, how you can invest them, how you can grow your finances. Some of you will be trying to balance your needs and your wants, just your daily life needs. So all these things can be seen in the coming 3 months for you. With the card of the High Priestess, I feel that some of you would like to grow your awareness about your work so that you can give more input during a particular project or anything going on in your work, at your workplace or in your business. So here you might join an online course or a physical course also, or you'll be reading a lot of books or material related to it. Some of you would join some seminars to gain more knowledge about a particular area or a subject related to your work. Also here you are being asked to stay connected to your intuition and also to be a little secretive. If you have a great plan in your mind, do not share with others until it is the right time to share. At times people take that idea and they share it, but they are not able to do that justice with that idea because your original idea is best explained by you itself, not by anyone else. So whenever there is a right time to share, then share your idea. This will help you to get your ideas the right justice that is needed. Now let's see what does education have to tell us. Okay, so I can see children putting in best of their efforts, consistent efforts to improve their performance, to grow as students in their awareness, but consistently working hard for whatever studies they are doing. I can also see that some students might get an opportunity to visit a seminar or something where people from outside are invited and they will be blessed with their knowledge, with their experience, their wisdom. And some of you, if you've been waiting for a confirmation coming for you regarding your admissions or something like this from a government college especially, then you can also join that. Expect that also. And some students might do a little small job to earn their pocket money, or children who are in the last year of their college are expecting that there's some internship or job offers coming for them. That can also be expected in the coming 3 months. Let's see relationships. Okay, so I see a movement happening in your relationship. A relationship that was stuck somewhere and it was not moving in any direction. Maybe with your heart-to-heart talk, or maybe with your commitment towards that person or towards that relationship, you will be able to take that relationship forward. There is celebration coming in these 3 months. It could be just celebrating with friends, or it could be a birthday, or it could be a love proposal being accepted, or a marriage coming in. So some kind of celebration is happening in these 3 months. Some of you will enjoy a happy, contented, emotionally satisfied, complete, family life with their families, children, and it will be a happy moment for some of you in the coming 3 months. Let's see what changes are coming for you in the coming 3 months. So here I have the card of perseverance and imagination. So here it tells me that if you were thinking of giving up, then now you will not think of giving up at all. You will put in your best effort to achieve what you want to. And to get this best result, you can work on your sacral chakra. You can meditate by keeping a water bowl in front of you and meditating, or when it's raining, you can sit and meditate. So this will help you to balance your sacral chakra and bring more confidence within you. And you will also put in your best efforts to bring a positive change in yourself. You will become more confident. You will start appreciating your own skills, your own abilities, your own creativity. And when you start doing it, you will start growing as an individual, and you will start bringing those positive changes within you. So divine has some blessing coming your way. So divine is sending you the blessing of generosity, sending you a blessing of change is coming into your life. With your entire journey in these 3 months, where you have been learning to grow from your hurt, where you are growing, coming out as a wise person, you are sharing your deep down thoughts. You will stop judging people. You will stop judging yourself. You will start accepting people. So here, divine is sending the blessing of generosity to you. It is time for beginning. Give freely from your heart. You will cut those strings of, if I've done something for someone, I expect something back. You will cut that string of expectation, and now when you will give freely without that string attached to it. And now not only giving, you will also be receiving very freely with your open heart. The love, the care, the appreciation. If someone is telling you that here you need to improve yourself, you will even take all those things generously, openly, and work towards them. And when you start bringing this into yourself, you will genuinely feel very happy within. You will start treating others with more respect and more acceptance in your life. So this was your reading. I hope the reading resonates with you, and the coming 3 months are full of blessings and happiness for you. Please do comment and let me know. Thank you. Welcome to your reading group 3. So all those who chose the white feather, this is going to be a reading. Even I chose the white feather. So let's see how the 3 months are going to be for all of us. So we'll be checking out in general how the 3 months are going to be. Then your health, career and finances, education, relationship, changes that will come, and blessings coming your way. For career and finances, till now I've got the maximum cards for this group, and even the blessing cards are more than what I got for the other 2 groups. So let's see. So the card here is telling me a win-win outcome is forecast. So when this card comes, it's a sign of partnership. It could be a partnership for your business, or it could be a love proposal, a reunion, falling in love for you. So definitely that is coming your way in the coming 3 months. And also it symbolizes that if you are it can also be a new proposal for you, or a commitment that you were waiting from your partner, or any important relation in your life will go to a next level. So either it could break, or you could take it to a next level of commitment. But here I feel you will be taking it to a new level of commitment here. Health is going to be of prime importance for you in the coming 3 months. You will adapt a more healthy routine for yourself, a healthy lifestyle for yourself. Some ladies, females, if they want to begin something from work from home, they'll be able to do this to generate some income for themselves. I can see inheritance happening, a legacy being, gifted to the new generation. So that can take place. People who, some of you might get some unexpected money in the coming 3 months. I can also see that all those who have this abundance will not just keep it to themselves. They will share with the needy. They will donate. They can also feed the dogs or the animals around them, or donate to an animal rescue home somewhere like this. You can achieve a new status, a new position at your workplace, or it could also be carrying forward your legacy, taking that responsibility on your shoulder and generating more income for your family. Maybe it's a family business that you have. So you'll be taking wise decisions, investing money wisely, being in action at your work. Some of you are dealing with some kind of relationships that are not helping you to grow, that are not helping you to take, responsibility of life, just making you stuck at a place. So it could also be your own negative self that is not letting you grow from that situation. So here I can also see that some of you will take some kind of firm decisions in the coming 3 months from now. So the other card says, find the blessing in your current situation. So here the divine is saying that whenever life offers you a situation that comes with either a learning or a blessing or a challenge, but always look at one positive thing in that situation. Look at that blessing that you have in that situation. Not everything is wrong at that time. Some positivity is there, and hold on to that positivity and move out of that situation. So your Lord is helping you, guiding you to come out of that situation. So now let's see how is health going to be for you. I hope my cards are clear, because I make it a point that they should be clear so that you can make a connect with the cards. So here I see that some of you are going to take action towards your health, maintaining a more organic life, a healthy life, a natural lifestyle, consuming more of organic food, more of veggies, taking care of yourself. Some of you will be building a boundary for yourself, bringing in discipline in your life in regard to your health. And when we do so, it not only affects our physical health, but also our mental health becomes more focused, becomes more alert, more energetic, more clear. And I can also see that some people might face issues with their hands, with their arms and shoulder. It could be a cold shoulder issue, or just a tennis elbow issue. Some kind of allergy can also be there. In these coming 3 months, I also feel this is not only related to health, but in general, I can also feel that clarity is going to come in your life, as well as justice is going to come into your life. So anywhere where you feel that you have not been acknowledged, or you've not been appreciated, or you did not get your due, that will all come to you in the coming 3 months. Now let us see career and finances. Career and finances also, I got the maximum cards here. Lots to be shared with you all. So let me just have them this way. Okay. So here I feel that some of you will be, either changing your job or shifting your workplace. Sometimes you are working in an office, and then the office wants to open another branch, and you'll be sent there to lead it. So it can be something of this type also, or you can also shift your place of work. Travel is indicated in your workplace. Also, I feel that you will be now acknowledged, you will be more appreciated, you will be awarded with all that hard work you have been doing. So some kind of, maybe a position will be given to you, increment can come your way, or some kind of award you will win at your workplace, maybe like the best colleague award, the best person award, or anything of this sort at your workplace. Some of you have been dealing with a lot of negativity in your work environment. Maybe you're not much appreciated. Maybe you're always looked down. Your ideas are not incorporated. You are made feel low in your confidence. So you've been going through this feeling, but you will now take a firm decision. You will make a decision of moving out of this environment, this negativity, this negative environment, and you will move towards a more brighter part. So there is some kind of proposal coming your way. It could be like a family member might offer you to join them, so that you're able to grow as an individual, find your talent will be recognized there. Financially, if I see, then I can see that if you were a trainee or a newcomer or on a probation, you might get a confirmation of being permanent. So you can expect a stable job, a stable income coming your way. So that can be seen in regard to your career and your finances. Now let's see education sector. What does it in store for you in the coming 3 months? Okay, so what I see that some students will indulge in some research work that may be a part of their studies, and they can indulge in research work. And I can see that some children will try and create a balance between their studies and extracurricular activities. Suppose the normal studies, every day-to-day studies are there, plus also looking into a project going on, and also could be that there is an upcoming event in the university or college, so being a part of it. So they'll be juggling between different roles, responsibilities, and some of them might want to manage their expenses also. What are their expenditures in the university? They're trying to manage that also, creating a balance in their work, in their routine. Some of you can travel to your destined university in the coming 3 months, and for some students it could also be that now they'll start working at a faster pace to achieve their deadlines. So in the coming 3 months that can also be seen. Let's see relationship. Okay, so you've got two major arcana cards, the Sun and the Star. So both are very positive cards, and they're telling me that there is going to be a renewal in your relationship, clarity coming in your relationship. Relationship is going to will be going towards a new path, a new bond, a new energy. There will be hope, there will be faith, there can be a miracle happening. Balance is coming into your relationships now, getting more steadier, more accommodating with each other. There can be a news of a birth of a child also coming in the coming 3 months. So relationship holds prosperity, new beginnings, and a deeper connections. So maybe some of you are reuniting, some of you are getting a new proposal, some of you will be planning a marriage or extending a family. So there is a new beginning in your relationship that I can see here. Okay, now let's see changes coming for you. So here what I can see is that now you will feel ready to find that source of your fear, your heartbreak, your insecurity. You will find that source. You will work towards it. You will work towards coming out of this situation. And if you want, you can take help of root chakra meditation. Ground yourself. Walk on the grass bare feet. You can sit on the grass and meditate. And grounding will help you to bring in more stability, more strength within you. So you will be able to fight with your fears and insecurities. You will become more acceptable, more accepting your own self first, accepting your fears and moving out of them. You will accept your own capabilities with pride, your own creativity. So you'll be more on an acceptance side. You will grow from this situation. It's a beautiful change coming your way. Let's see blessings coming your way. So we have the blessing of harmony, acceptance, and spiritual practice. Okay, so here the divine is telling you that you deserve to feel good about yourself. It's time to socialize with your friends, enjoy with them, open your heart, open your fears, release them, release the blame, release the sadness, the sorrows, release anger, and move ahead. God is going to bless you with this courage, with this acceptance in your life. He's telling you that whatever spiritual practice you do for yourself, inculcate the chanting of Om. If you can't chant Om, then you can just play that music and connect to it. It will help you to focus better, to ground you, to calm your energies. Use some incense sticks, use something that gives out that smoke, so that that smoke clears the energy around and helps you to connect to divine. So Lord is sending such beautiful blessings for all of us. I hope my reading resonates with you. You all have a blessed and a beautiful coming 3 months. And if it does, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Hello group 4. So all those who chose the blue feather, this is going to be your reading for the coming 3 months from now. We'll see the overall how the months are going to be. Then your health, career and finances, education, relationships, changes coming your way, and blessings. So let's see what the cards have to tell us. So the card says it's time to take action. So it's a card of positive sign. It says that if you've been waiting for something special to come into your life, it's going to come. New beginning is there. If you are waiting to get a sign from the universe that the track, the path you want to follow, then yes, the universe is saying a big yes to begin that journey of yours. Begin with determination, bravery, and you'll walk towards success. The universe is also telling you that take care not to move too quickly, and also to treat others with love and respect who are accompanying you on this journey of yours. Don't think of giving up, because you have been working hard and now is the time to reap those rewards for you. Do your best and be happy in that. Here also you're being advised to plan for your next 12 months. It's a good time to start a new project also. Here there is also movement showing that either you can have visit your hometown, or travel from one city to the other, or you can shift your house. It is also showing me that something in a speed is coming towards you. It could be an information, it could be your plan that you are going to now put into action quickly. So this can also be seen. And here the card is also telling me that someone new, a man in your life who's well established, settled, well reputed, respected, might come into your life. A new beginning of a relationship can be there. The person can be from a foreign country, abroad, from somewhere abroad, and a new journey in a relationship can begin. A new love proposal or a marriage proposal coming your way, happiness coming into your way, family expansion is coming. Someone can receive a new proposal, or a pregnancy news can also be there for you. Here I can also see that some of you are real givers. You are always ready to give whatever you can to help the other person. But here universe is telling you that at times when you give too much, your energies get drained, your energies get blocked. So now is the time that you have to concentrate on your give and take energies. So drinking more water will help you to balance your energy, flush out the toxicity, the negative energy, the blocked energy from your body. You can charge your water before you drink. It will give you a positivity, a positive energy. Also, you can meditate to calm your energies, balance your energies, your chakras, especially it can be your root chakra, your sacral chakra. This will help you to balance your chakras as well. I can also see that some of you might recover from a surgery or a back pain. Either you've already undergone a surgery, or you will undergo a surgery and recover from it in the coming 3 months. Let's see health. What does health have to tell us about you? I hope my cards are clear. I like that all my viewers should get a connect with the cards. So health is telling me that some of you will celebrate your recovery. Maybe you've come back from the hospital, or you are recovering from your surgery, so you will be celebrating it. It can also be that some of you need to now create boundaries, limitations of how much you are consuming your addictions. You have to keep a control, a check on your addictions. If you're drinking too much, then you have to keep a check on it. Bring a discipline into your life. Some of you will be creating those boundaries, that discipline, that planning into their life to lead a healthy life. I can also feel that some of you might undergo some issues regarding your shoulder, like cold shoulder, or tennis elbow problem, or some muscle weakness in your hands or your arms. A leg issue can also be seen here, something to do with your leg, maybe some pain or a cramp or anything of this sort can be seen in your health cards. Let's see career and finances. Okay, so these are your career cards, your finances cards as well. So I can see that, like we spoke, I had shared that some of you are waiting for a confirmation coming, whether you're on the right path or not. So yes, you are on the right path. So take that path and move ahead towards prosperity, towards success. You'll be working very hard in the coming 3 months to create your own abundance. Wheel of Fortune is there, so your luck is going to be on your side. Clarity is going to come into your life. Success is going to come into your life. Some of you, I can see, are dealing with options. Maybe you have choices in front of you and you are unable to decide which one to pick up. So here I can just advise you that it is important to connect to your intuition right now. Like earlier we spoke that meditation will help you. So here, if you are meditating, it will help to calm your energies, and we can only connect to our intuition if we are calm from within. So seek the guidance from your intuition and trust it. I can see that a cycle is being completed here, an old cycle. Maybe you were paying off some loans, so that will be complete, and a new financial cycle will then begin once you have paid off your loan. So now you can plan your money accordingly, whatever you have in your hand now. Here also I can see that some of you are under a confusion that whether you should take up the coming opportunity. Maybe you've been giving the opportunity of shifting from one country to another. So you are under that confusion. And here universe is telling you, just grab this opportunity. Let's see how your education is going to be. So here I can see that children are going to create a balance. They're going to take a path where they'll be able to make space for everything. Their time, entertainment, studies. So they'll be creating a balance in their routine. Also, some of you might indulge in healthy competitions, like a sports day might be there. So you might indulge yourself in teamwork, in team plays. I can see some extra coaching happening. Some children would like to take up some extra coaching classes or counseling classes, or attend lectures from where guests are invited to share their knowledge about a specific subject. And let's see relationships. Okay, so here what I can see is that somebody here is going to put in a lot of efforts, taking actions to keep the family together, bind it together, move ahead together, creating a balance in relationships. Someone can expect a new proposal for themselves. So an addition in the relationship will be there. A expansion of family will be there. Maybe you'll receive a pregnancy news. So and people who want to work on their relationships will take actions to take their relationship to a better level, to create happiness, to create more bonding in that relation. What changes are coming your way? So the changes coming your way is of bittersweet and empathy. Some of you might have lost some people in your life and you are still stuck in that energy. So here universe is telling you to now change that perspective. Think about the positive things that were there in that relationship, about that person. And when you bring that change, you will be able to be more accepting towards yourself, accepting your own feelings, and you'll be now speaking about those feelings, sharing those feelings, which will help you to come out of that stuck energy. Divine is sending you blessings, and the blessings are cultivation and determination. So here the divine is telling you to stay determined, to work on your root chakra, to stay grounded. Here you are being blessed with happiness, love, balance, health, security coming into your, acceptance coming into your life. Divine is asking you to connect to music, because music will help you to heal. It will bring shifts in your energy. It will encourage you, nurture your soul, and you will be more receptive towards love, towards happiness, and towards more growth in your life. So this was for you, group 4. If my readings resonate with you, please do comment and let me. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe Vatsalyam and hit the bell icon. Thank you.